today's date?
10th of November.
Wow, happy birthday to sister.
Happy birthday to my baby.
Is dedicated to everyone who believes God will do something great into her life this year. Beloved, the Bible tells me, I and I believe, I and I speak. Come with I. My Joe, my Joe, my Joe.
Happy birthday to Gigi. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord lift you. We wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day. You will dance your dance. This year, you will sing your song. Princess baby, Adobe.
Carry my mouth, singing my song. This year I will sing my song. This year I will dance my dance.
Yes.
Oh yeah. I want Joe. I want Joe. I want Joe.
This year, you will never forget this year because of what the Lord God will do for you. Mommy is saying happy birthday to you. Do you know what? Every of your heart desire, God will grant it to you. Remain a good girl. Remain a lovely girl. And the Lord will make everything about you best. More grace, more favor, more win. We love you. Continue with the Lord. The Lord will always be with you.